Day 2 began with reflection, a chance to revisit the lessons of the first day and move closer toward action. Swedavino Natso of NEIWT opened the day by gathering reflections and feedback from participants, carrying forward the spirit of collaboration. The morning session focused on climate change and the need for adaptive water strategies, blending science, policy and community wisdom. In one of the most engaging sessions, water resilience expert Eklavya Prasad redefined rain not as a passing event, but as a shared community resource.
Each house in Kohima, when it rains, each house gets rain, right? It's not that the poor people will get, or the rich people would get, or the school students would get, or so it's all decentralized. So if the rainfall is decentralized, why are we looking at a kind of a management which is centralized?
Legal scholar Dr. Philip Coulet challenged participants to rethink questions of access and ownership, asking not just who owns water, but who it should truly serve. The final discussion turned toward advocacy, how to integrate community voices into water policy and practice.
So the questions that we are exploring today is how do we bring these community voices and values and knowledge system into formal water policy.
So we'll have to, at some point of time, exercise our collective ability as researchers, as students, as civil society, people in civil society, and that's what we're trying to do. This Water Talks is about talking, making us all aware and deeply aware about the importance of water.
And the fact of the matter is that we are in a critical juncture of where we are having water crisis across. Water has become a big issue, not just for people who just drink.
I think the basic thing to understand about water governance is to actually rely on your community spirit.
From climate change to community action, resilience begins when knowledge flows like water.